Hi there, Christoph here. I wanted to give an update on RK Wallet and some updates and stuff I've worked on since last week. So one of the things here is data persistence. So previously when you started the application, it was clear and then it loaded all the data from the client. But now if, let's say, I rebuild it here, then it's populated right away and then it kind of refreshes in the background with new data. So it feels a lot snappier. Another thing I added here, an X-ray download button. You can download all the data here as JSON. If, let's say, as a developer, that's helpful for you, it's helpful for me, that's for sure. Then in settings, I added the recovery phrase here, so you can recover the wallet if you want. There's also option to delete wallet. I'm just going to go in that, but first I need to actually get my my funds out here because wallet import does not quite work yet with VTXOs. So I need to get these funds out. Payment sent, cool. Wallet's empty. Then I can go in and delete it. Delete it. Cool. We're back to the home screen. Then I'm going to import a recovery phrase. Actually, let's take a look at the create new wallet screen here first. So these are kind of placeholders here. This did not work last week at all. It was all fake. This screen didn't even exist. I need to make these screens a lot better, but basically it works. So you get create wallet, loads a little bit, then it says you're done. Like I said, this needs to be a lot cooler. And then you are in your wallet. I'm going to delete it again real quick. And now I want to import one. So I'm going to put in my 12 words. This is Signet, so nothing valuable here. Not giving away my recovery phrase with anything important. But the wallet's imported, and now you can see I have 5,000 sats here in UTXOs that were recovered. And like I said, from my understanding of the documentation, VTXO recovery does not quite work yet. UTXO recovery works. That's why I'm showing it this way. So, okay, those were kind of the main changes. There was also a bunch of styling and kind of under the hood smaller type of stuff. Want to add a whole bunch of stuff still to do, like for example detecting whether you're on Signet or mainnet, and then supporting or not supporting the respective address formats. There in activity there's also a bunch of stuff. For example, it doesn't detect the UTXO transfers yet. There's also a bunch of clarification that I need to do around correctly identifying transaction types. Like if you transfer from Arc to on-chain, that should be an internal transfer. That should not be a send and a receive as if you were sending to someone else or receiving from someone else. It's a lot of work to do, but it's quickly taking shape and it is a lot of fun to work on. So I'm excited to keep going with this. So hope you find it interesting. If not, that's also good. Okay, thanks.